Hey, welcome back. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. So, on today and before that, my new subscribers. My name is Lucy, and this is my daughter Chloe. I normally do DIY videos on natural hair for both toddlers and for adults, and also some cute hairstyles for babies and also for myself. For today, we'll be doing this rubber braids for baby, and it's a style that I've been longing to do for a very long time. So today I decided let me do it, and it just came super cute, just the way I wanted. So I'll be using the fluffy kinky to do this style. I've been seeing people doing this style with Mali braids, but I said let me do it with a fluffy kinky. So and the reason why I like this fluffy kinky, it's for all styles and it's very light. So even when I'm making on my baby's hair, it's not a heavy braid or anything. It's just a very light. If for those who have experience about the fluffy, you understand what I mean. So that's why I always choose this braid. I'll be doing this tutorial step by step. So I hope you're gonna like it. You're going to try it on your babies. You're trying it on yourself, cause it's very super cute. So I'll be when I'm doing this style, it's you'll notice that it's I normally do styles which are very protective for the hairs of my baby, because I'm trying to avoid breakage, so that at least, because I'm trying to grow their hair, and I'm trying to minimize also the breakage of the hair and also the styles that I'm doing on their hair. So when I'm doing this style, I'm making sure that I did some what do you call it? I divided the hair and I secured it with rubber bands, so that it will be very easy for me to have a grip, and also it helps to maintain that steadiness and the cleanliness of the style. For me, that's how I normally feel when I'm using rubber bands. Rubber bands, they help. They are very protective on baby's hair. You are not going to use a lot of tension at the base when you're trying to do a braid, and also for any style when you're doing it's I will recommend for rubber bands for small babies and also for yourself. Like for example, myself, I don't like those very tight hairstyles, because for me, I love the comfort of sleeping. So when I'm having those kind of, I normally feel like I'm going to wake up and then I'm going to just undo my hairstyle when it's very hard for me. So I'm going to be showing you like it's easier. You see how I have divided it. It's very clean and very nice. You're going to see at the end of the results, it looks so yummy, and it looks so it was so nice. I loved this style. It's just the way I just wanted, and how I was just aspiring for it to come out very clean and very fluffy and very bubbly. Call the words. I'm just out of words, but I loved the style. So let's keep watching and see how it goes. trying to hide in the hair inside this kinky so that they can look uniform, because the kinky looks like her hair. So when I'm done, or before even I'm doing this strand, I make sure that when I'm rolling the hair at the base, I hide in the rubber band so that you can choose of how you can hide in the rubber band. For me, I found that twisting at the base, it is hiding the rubber band very, very easy, but you just have to make it very neatly and don't apply a lot of tension. So you'll see when I come at the front part of the hair or hairstyle, I'm going to be subdividing a very small part of the kinky, so that it doesn't have to feel that it's very heavy on her hairline. Still, when you're doing your styles, always make sure that when you come to the front of your hairline, you always use a small braid so that it doesn't have or instill a lot of tension on your hairline to prevent breakage. While I'm gripping, you can see I'm trying to twist the hair at the base of it. I'm trying to hide the rubber band, and also make sure that it's not very, very tight. You're not doing it very tight. When I'm done with twisting, then I just make I tie a knot. Then I continue with hiding the hair in between or inside the kinky, so that it doesn't look like it's fake. You just have to make sure that it's uniform and it will look so flawless. So you can see how I'm doing it. I'm just measuring with my finger, then I try to use a small strand of the kinky to just roll over the rest of the hair. took me around 3 hours to finish. Of course, because of the commercial breaks that we just have to do because of the baby. And the outcome was just the way I wanted. Thank you so much for watching. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that. And also, you turn on notification bell. You'll be sure you'll be getting my newest video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.